We are following some breaking news in Dominion's defamation lawsuit against Fox News. The judge in the case just announced the two sides have reached a settlement. That announcement came on the same day opening statements were set to begin in the $1.6 billion suit. NBC's Emilie Ikeda is in Wilmington, Delaware, live where that trial was supposed to begin. Emilie, dramatic developments. Bring us up to speed here. What's the latest?
Yeah, absolutely. Some 11th hour drama here. Opening statements for this high stakes trial were supposed to begin at 1:30 p.m. Hour by hour, as we were left with unanswered questions around what was delaying the process. There was speculation around, okay, could this be the result of a settlement? Well, just before 4 p.m., the judge and the jurors re-entered the courtroom and we got our answer. The judge announcing that the parties involved have settled the matter. He profusely thanked the jurors, 12 alternate jurors that had just been seated earlier today, saying they had done their duty, and it was because of them that these parties were able to reach a settlement before the actual trial got underway. We had already seen one delay in this process. It was supposed to get underway yesterday morning, and we got a formal announcement from the judge pushing it to today. And so what you can see happening behind me, just out of view, you may be able to watch people walking behind me, and that is because Dominion's lawyers are addressing the press at this hour. And just moments ago, I'm going to pull it up on my phone because I just got this statement in from Fox Corporation, our NBC News team, sharing this with me. We are pleased to have reached a settlement of our dispute with Dominion Voting Systems. It goes on to say we acknowledge the court's rulings finding certain claims about Dominion to be false. The settlement reflects Fox's continued commitment to the highest journalistic standards. We are hopeful that our decision to resolve this dispute with Dominion amicably instead of the acrimony of a divisive trial allows the country to move forward from these issues. Kristen, as soon as we're done here, I'll be popping over there to hear exactly what Dominion has to say on this.
And Emilie, really, the crux of this was this battle between press freedom, which is what Fox was arguing, freedom of the press, and this argument by Dominion, which said that you cannot knowingly disseminate misinformation. It was anticipated that this is the type of case that would have gone all the way to the Supreme Court. Talk about the stakes of this case.
Well, I think one of the interesting things that we saw play out here, but during the pretrial hearings, and there was an initial ruling before the trial even got underway from the judge that actually declared the statements, the conspiracy theories swirling around Dominion voting system, suggesting they had some kind of role in rigging the 2020 presidential election. The judge ruled those to be false ahead of time. He said it was crystal clear those statements were not true. And so Dominion's job throughout the rest of this, throughout the trial, was merely to prove defamation and that they acted with actual malice, which is a difficult standard to reach. And it's why a lot of defamation cases frequently don't reach trial. They are settled outside or they are settled before they even reach trial. And actual malice means that Dominion had to prove that Fox knowingly aired false claims or at least acted with reckless disregard for the truth. But again, so many eyes have been on this case, especially when you consider there are other similar suits coming down the pipeline for Fox.